Ready to start using OneDrive to back up your files and access them anywhere? Activating OneDrive on Windows takes just a few simple steps. Let's get you set up. Click the Start button and type OneDrive in the search bar. Select the OneDrive app from the app results to launch it. A sign-in window will appear. Enter your Microsoft account email and password. This is the same account that you use for Outlook, Xbox or Microsoft 365. Since I already logged in, it's already open here. Next, OneDrive will ask you where you'd like to store your OneDrive folder locally. You can stick with the default location or choose a custom path. Click Next to confirm. Go through the brief setup guide. Once you're done, click Open my OneDrive folder. And just like that, your OneDrive is activated and ready to use. That's it. Your OneDrive is now active and syncing, keeping your files safe and available on all your devices. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more videos like this, and thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.